Hello students, now we will start the chapter ratio and proportion. You are familiar about the ratio and proportion in last year means previous standards. So one example we will solve here, you will come to know the idea of ratio. The concept should be clear first. So one example is here, the Rava laddu prepared by Vimal are tasty, for which she takes 1 bowl of ghee, 3 bowls of rava and 2 bowls of sugar. 1 bowl, 3 bowl and 2 bowl. It means if we write the numbers in the form of ratio, in this way they can be written as 1:3:2. Okay. So now the example we can solve by using the ratio and proportion. If there are 12 bowls of rava, what will be the proportion of sugar? Are you getting me? 1 bowl ghee, 3 bowl rava, 2 bowl sugar. So if we take 12 bowls of rava, what will be the quantity of sugar? So this example we can solve by using the ratio and proportion. So for that purpose we have to assume that the ratio has common multiple. Ratio can be taken between 2 numbers, 3 numbers or more than 3 numbers. So let the common multiple of the given ratio is k. Then the numbers will be 1k, 3k and 2k. Means one multiple is there. So now we know that 12 bowls of rava is taken. So rava is noted by here 3k. ये है घी, ये है रवा और ये है sugar. Therefore 3k is equal to 12. Means 3 का how many times is 12? We have to find. Therefore k is equal to 12 into का divide किया upon 3. 12 upon 3 is equal to 4. Therefore k is equal to 4. Now what will be the quantity of sugar? Sugar is denoted by here 2k. Put the value of k here. 2k is 2 into k means 4. 2 4s are 8. It means 8 kilogram of sugar. 8 bowl of sugar will be required. And k का value 4. 8 means k is 1. 1 k is what? Ghee. So 1 bowl of ghee is required here. So in this way, by the common multiple we can find the actual value of the number in the given in the example. Now in last year or previous standard, you come across two types of proportion: direct proportion and inverse proportion. So just we will take some example, one example to review your previous knowledge, that we will take about the direct proportion. In your textbook, one example is given. 1 liter of petrol can cover the distance of 10 km with the speed 50. So we will find out the ratio here. Okay, which proportion is exist here. One table is given here. I will write here. Petrol x or distance covered is y. Petrol is in liter and distance is in kilometer. 1 liter of petrol covers 10 kilometer distance. Okay. अगर 2 liter का कितना होगा फिर? 1 का 10, 2 का 20, like this. In this way, if we are multiplying, what will be the cost of 20 liters? मतलब 20 लीटर का 20 लीटर में कितना कवर होगा डिस्टेंस? अगर 1 लीटर में 10 किलोमीटर है तो 1 का 10 टाइम्स 10 है, तो 20 का 10 टाइम्स क्या होगा? 200 होगा ना, 200. And if 40 liters of petrol is there, it will cover 10 times more means 400 kilometer distance. So now take the ratio of these two quantities. This is x and y. X upon y, we will take the ratio. X value is 1 and y value is 10. 1 upon 10, it is simple only. Now x upon y is 20 upon 200. 20 upon 200. 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 1s are 0, 1 by 10. And here also 40 upon 400. 0 cancel, 4 1s are 4 10s are. It means finally 1 by 10 is getting the constant ratio after solving. So such type of example in which the ratio remains constant, the quantities in between the ratio remains constant is called as direct proportion. Ratio between the two quantities. Which two quantities are here? पेट्रोल, लीटर एंड डिस्टेंस मीन्स वॉल्यूम है, लीटर मतलब वॉल्यूम एंड डिस्टेंस, या फिर वी कैन से these two physical quantities in which the ratio remains constant, this is called as direct proportion. And what will be the inverse proportion? Inverse proportion, we take example here. If one in short I will tell you ki if one quantity increases, other quantity decreases, and what we get the constant we will see through example only. One example is given here: vehicle, car and bullock cart. स्पीड दिया है, व्हीकल, कार है एंड बुलक कार्ट है. स्पीड इज गिवन इन किलोमीटर पर आवर. कार का स्पीड है 50 while बुलक कार्ट का है 5. सो कार कवर्स टेक 2 किलोमीटर 2 hour distance to cover the distance 100, and bullock cart has a speed 5 km per hour, so it takes 20 hours to cover the same distance. It means 100 km. Now see here, this is the value of x and this is the value of y. One quantity speed है यहाँ पे और ये है time required, and this is the distance covered. So now we will see x into y क्या आएगा. X into y is what? 50 into 2 is 50 into 2 is equal to 100. Here 5 into 20 is equal to also 100. It means here the product of two quantities remains constant. Therefore this is the inverse variation. It means the if speed is more, time required is less. If speed is less, obviously time required will be more. But finally we get the product of these two quantities remains constant, and if such type of relation exists there, it must be a inverse variation or inverse proportion. So this is about the basics of proportion. Now actually what we learn in standard 9, that we will see about the properties of ratios. So as we know till now, ratio is the division of two quantities. Product नहीं है, division. So and it is shown by the sign 2 dots between the numbers. Again what you know till now, ratios. Ratio is taken between the same quantities and it have same unit. Same quantity. Properties we should know. Properties of ratios. It should be taken in between same quantities. जैसे कि लेंथ का ये हो सकता है, टेम्परेचर का ये होगा, या फिर टेम्परेचर का लेंथ से नहीं होगा. सेम क्वांटिटीज में होता है. इट शुड हैव द सेम यूनिट भी सेम चाहिए दोनों क्वांटिटी का. सपोज इफ द एग्जाम्पल A is to B is one ratio, the in between these two ratio can be taken between 2, 3, 4 numbers, but if basic ratio is 2 numbers, in which first number is called as first term and second term. Also we can call as predecessor, and this is called as successor. B, second quantity, second number. Predecessor and successor. First term is called as predecessor and second term is called as successor. So generally we are not using these terms, but you should know for your understanding. The ratio remains unchanged if the terms are multiplied or divided by non-zero number. Suppose 2/3 है, I will explain you. The ratio is multiplied by same number. इसको दोनों को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या आएगा? 4/3 to the 6. इन दोनों को फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या आएगा? 4 to the 8/12. It means 4/6 है, 8/12 है, and this is 2/3. All they are one and the same. It means ratio will not remain unchanged if multiply divide. कैसे क्या होगा देखो, बेसिक रेशो ये है, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऐसे ही दोनों का मिलेगा. 4 2 2 2 3 4 2 4 3 2/3 2/3 2/3 है ना. इट मीन्स इफ रेशो इज मल्टीप्लाइड or divided by same number, it will remain unchanged. This is the property. It can also cross multiply also. If it cross multiply, it remains unchanged. Suppose one example I will give. 2/3 और ये है 4/6, ये दोनों रेशो लिया दोनों का. Do cross multiply. 2 6 12, 3 4 12, like this. It means it will change. It will remain unchanged by cross multiply or by multiplication or division. Equal ratios property है ये. Okay. Now the quantity is taken in the ratio must be expressed in the same unit. जैसे कि लेंथ है उसका एक सेंटीमीटर में, एक मीटर में ऐसे नहीं होगा, दोनों मीटर में होना चाहिए या फिर दोनों सेंटीमीटर में होना चाहिए. सपोज 5:100 ऐसा एक रेशो है. इसमें सेकंड टर्म इज 100. If the ratio has second term 100, such type of ratio is called as percentage ratio. So we can convert the given ratio into percentage, or percentage ratio can be simplified into lowest form. I think we will actually start examples given in the practice set 4.1. This is about the basic of this chapter. Okay.